Good morning, everyone. SDM and CTM conducted surprise inspection of various examination centers to prevent any kind of external interference in the board examinations and to conduct the examinations without cheating. SDM Ashish Sangwan and CTM Jitender conduct a surprise inspection of examinations centers run in various schools. During this, he appealed to the citizens to conduct the examinations in a fair and peaceful manner. On the other hand, he said that strict action will be taken against those who create hindrance and interfere in the examinations in any way. It is the worth mentioning that at present the examination of class 12th are being conducted. Examination centers have been set up in various schools in the district. As per the instructions of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, flying squads have been formed at the district and sub-divisional level. During the inspection, the examinations were found to be conducted peacefully while giving instructions to the education officers appointed in the examinations centers. The SDM said that the examinations of the children should be conducted without cheating. There should not be any kind of external interference. He appealed to the people in the rural area and the city to conduct the examinations without any hindrance. Samadhan camps being organized Delhi and district and sub-divisional level, Charkhi Dadri. Samadhan camps are being organized Delhi and district and sub-divisional level on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. On Friday, SDM Ashish Sangwan and CTM Jitender heard the complaints of citizens in the mini secretariat auditorium and were instructed to resolve them on priority basis. He said that under the leadership of Haryana Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, work is being done in the state dedicated to the public service. Officers should take the complaints received in the Samadhan camps seriously and ensure their settlement as soon as possible. The government is constantly reviewing the resolution of complaints received in the Samadhan camp. The Chief Minister's office and the Chief Secretary's office are constantly monitoring the Samadhan camps through video conferencing. Officials said that the district administration is getting the complaints of all departments settled under one roof under the Samadhan camp as far as possible. Samadhan camps are being organized on every working day from 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the district headquarters as well as the subdivision headquarters. Senior officials of the concerned departments were present on this occasion. Chief Minister Marriage Shagun Yojana is a strong effort for on economically weaker sections. Chief Minister Marriage Shagun scheme is being run by the Haryana government with the aim of providing financial assistance in the marriage of doctors of all sections of the society and Divyangjan. This scheme is a commendable effort to empower the economically weaker sections and encourage the marriage of daughters. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that Chief Minister Marriage Sugun scheme is a symbol of equality and empowerment in the society. The objective of this scheme is to provide assistance to economically weaker families and reduce financial worries in the marriage of daughters. He appealed to all eligible families to take advantage of this scheme and make the future of their daughters safe and happy. He said that under this scheme, assistance amount is provided to the beneficiaries, in which a grant amount of 71,000 is provided on the marriage of daughters of scheduled caste, Vimukta caste, Tapri Parivar caste beneficiaries whose annual income is up to 1,80,000 at a grant amount of 41,000 is given on the marriage of daughters of backward class and general category persons whose annual income is up to 1,80,000. Deputy Commissioner said that a grant amount of 51,000 is provided for the marriage of daughters of widows, orphans, divorced, destitute women and their children of all classes. He also said that 41,000 is also given for the marriage of sportswomen whose annual income is up to 1,80,000. Along with this, under this scheme, if both the bride and groom are disabled, then they will given a grant amount of 51,000. If only one groom and bride is disabled, then a grant amount of 41,000 will be given. Giving information, he said that to get the benefit of this scheme, it is mandatory for the applicant to get the marriage registrations done within 6 months after the marriage of his daughter. The applications process for the scheme has been made simple and easy. Applicants can apply for marriage registration and Mukhyamantri Vivah Sagun Yojana by visiting the sadi.edisha.gov.in portal. He said that is the priority of the district administrations to provide the benefits of government schemes to every eligible person. So, thank you so much for watching PPT News, and I request you please subscribe PPT News. Take care, bye, see ya, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत।